Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the risk to cryptocurrency investors, how to keep your investments safe. If you're still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. What you need to know to lower the chance that a smart hacker will get into your cryptocurrency and steal all of your money. Cryptocurrencies are scary, and that's the truth. Right now, a hacker is behind a computer screen, maybe in their mom's basement, trying to get into someone's crypto wallet. Because if a hacker can guess, fish, or brute force their way into the wallet, they can easily take all the crypto that is in it. And unfortunately, anyone could be the next person to be hacked. Hackers can get into hardware wallets. But what if you've been keeping your cryptocurrency in a cold storage hardware wallet that you keep offline and whose private keys only you know? Again, things are getting scary. Experts in cybersecurity have shown more than once that hardware wallets can be broken into. And these kinds of crypto wallets get hacked because smart hackers take advantage of the security flaws in cold storage wallets. As a crypto investor, this means you should always be on the lookout for scams, phishing attacks, and malicious software and websites. Even if you use a hardware wallet to store a lot of crypto coins and tokens, you still need to be careful. My opinion is that there's only one way to reduce the risk of losing all your money, that is crypto, to a hacker's cyber attacks. Don't give them access to your money. So one will ask, how do you keep your crypto assets safe? The best way to protect your crypto portfolio, whether it's worth hundreds, thousands, or millions of dollars, is to be smarter than the hackers and use more than one wallet. Instead of putting all your money in one wallet, put it in several ones. But there is no rule that says you have to keep all your crypto in one wallet. The great thing is that most wallet apps make it easy to make a second, third, or fourth crypto wallet address in seconds. It's what I've been doing for a long time, and luckily, none of my wallets were ever broken into. But if someone broke into one of my wallets, they wouldn't be able to steal all of my crypto. In a world full of digital thieves and cyber attacks, I think this is by far the smartest way to protect your cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.